Solve the triangle with side A equals to 5 units, B equals to 4 units, and A equals to 45 degrees. Okay, let us begin. First, what we'll do, we'll construct the triangle ABC. Now, for the triangle ABC, we have the side that is opposite to angle A that will be denoted by the letter A in lowercase. It has got a measure of 5 units. The side opposite to angle B, that is going to be AC, is denoted by the letter P in lowercase. It has got a measure of 4 units. And then we have the angle measure of A, that is 45 degrees. Let's also consider the side AB, that is the side that is opposite to angle C. We are going to denote it by the letter C in lowercase. Our goal will be to determine the angle measure of B, angle measure of C, as well as the measure of the side C. Okay, to begin with, first what we'll do, we're going to consider the side that is opposite to angle A. So A here is 5 units. Let's keep it aside for the time being. Next, we consider the other side, which is B, and we're going to multiply that side B to sine of the angle that is adjacent to that given angle. Now, in our case, that is angle A. So we take B times sine of A. So B is 4 units multiplied to sine of angle 45 degrees. So this is going to be equals to 2 times square root of 2, which is approximately 2.83. Now, as we can see here, since the length of A is greater than B times sine of angle A, and A is an acute angle, and also A is greater than B. So this implies that only one triangle exists. So only one unique triangle is going to exist. Okay, so let's find out the solution of that particular triangle. That means we'll try to find out the measure of B, C, and the side A. For this, we're going to take the help of the law of sines. The law of sines is given as the ratio of the side A to that of sine of the angle A. That's going to be equals to the ratio of the side B to that of sine of angle B. And that's also equals to the third side C divided by the sine of the angle C. Now, since we have the angle, the side measure A and B given to us, so what we'll do, we're going to consider the first two ratios and equate them with each other. So now we have A over sine of angle A. So that is going to be equals to B over sine of angle B. So here we have A, we have B, we have the angle A as well. So this is going to help us obtain the value of sine of angle B. So sine of angle B is simply going to be B over A multiplied to sine of angle A. So we can substitute the value of BA and angle A in this formula, and that should give us 2 times square root of 2 divided by 5. But what we need here is B. We do not need sine of B. So what we'll do, we're going to take the inverse sine function on both sides. So B is going to be equals to the inverse sine of 2 times square root of 2 whole divided by 5. We can substitute this into a calculator, and this should give us the value 34 degrees and 27 minutes. So that is going to be the measure of the angle B. So angle B we have found as 34 degrees 27 minutes. Now that we have angle B, we already know the measure of angle A. We can immediately find out the measure of angle C. So here we are going to use the fact that since A plus B plus C, that's equals to 180 degrees. So that means that measure of angle C is going to be 180 degrees minus the sum of angle A, which is 45 degrees, added to the sum of angle B, which is 34 degrees and 27 minutes. We'll plug this into a calculator, and this is going to give us the measure of C as 100 degrees and 33 minutes. So now we have the angle measure of C as well. Now that we have the angle measure of C, we have the angle measure of B as well. Let's find out the measure of the third side. To obtain the value of the remaining side C, we're again going to use the law of sines. So here, since we need to find out C, we're going to first consider the ratio C over sine of angle C. And then we can equate them to any one of the two ratios. So let's equate it with A over sine of angle A, which means that C is going to be given by A multiplied to sine of angle C divided by sine of angle A. We can substitute the value. So A, that's 5 units multiplied to sine of angle C. Angle C measures 100 degrees and 33 minutes whole divided by sine of angle A. So angle A, that's already given in the problem as 45 degrees. We can plug this value into our calculator and that's going to give us the value of C. So C comes out to be approximately 6.95. So that is going to be the measure of the side C.